Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Terraform Cloud login problems, workspace errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with Terraform Cloud, you're not alone. First, check your internet connection to ensure you are online. Next, confirm that you are using the correct credentials. Visit the Terraform Cloud login page and enter your email and password. If you receive an error message, verify that your password is correct. You may want to reset your password if you suspect it is incorrect. To reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Once your password is reset, attempt to log in again. If login issues persist, check for any service outages on the HashiCorp status page. In some cases, clearing your browser cache can resolve login problems. Try using a different browser or incognito mode to see if the issue persists. Make sure your browser is up to date to avoid compatibility problems. If you are using a corporate network, there may be firewall restrictions affecting your access. Contact your IT department to see if they can assist with network-related issues. If you're using an API token for authentication, ensure it hasn't expired. Check the permissions associated with your API token to confirm it has the necessary access. If all else fails, reach out to HashiCorp support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you encountered. Be prepared to share the steps you've already taken to try to resolve the problem. They can guide you through further troubleshooting steps or identify any account issues. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot Terraform Cloud login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.